will be going to look beyond the obvious because not all the best properties are where you think they are. The most underrated areas to buy properties in Cebu. This is Beth Gusho, your real estate salesperson. You know what? Everyone's rushing to Cebu City, Lahug, or IT Park. But what if I told you that there are better value deals just 30 to 45 minutes away, and you can save a lot of money from the overprice of the properties in the city? Because everybody knows that the nearer you are in the city, the higher the price would be. Why? It's because of the value of the property. But what if you can just strategize, even though you'll just be away for 30 to 45 minutes and you can still go on with your day-to-day work? If you really need to go to the city center, then you can find a way. You can work around on that to save time still. Well, anyway, it also would depend on your personality, on what you like, your lifestyles, and also your affordability. And if you know somebody who might be looking for affordable properties, then please share this video to them or tag them in the comment section. So that way you will also be helping them. And if you yourself is looking for affordable property, house and lot or condos, and that you would be okay if it's not really in that center, but not really far away. So please stay with me up to the end of this video. All right, so what are these places that I'm going to talk about? Unahon na to ang sa north of Cebu. Let's talk about Liloan. This is just next to Consolacion. Mandaue, Consolacion, Liloan. Not really that far. Many says that it's traffic. Yeah, it is, but it's only in a certain time, like in the rush hours. But after that, the traffic is just smooth. Okay, so Liloan is booming with infrastructure and smart communities. Project like Durus Land, gated subdivisions. There's also this Eastland Estate and even beachside developments. The properties of Soft Touch also in Liloan, and many properties in Liloan are making it a hot alternative. Why? Buyers overlook it. Di ba? Usually, di ko ana traffic layo kay. Layo man na, lisod kayo sa trabaho. No? Yes, it may be, but it's not really that far. And if you also think that though you wanted it the city center, but your capability of the amount of the property that you can buy may work on the properties in these areas, right? So they think it's too far, but with better roads and new access points, it's not. The accessibility is improving. The Cebu City Expressway is almost done. So it's not really way far, and it's done too soon, and it's gonna be a great help for those people who wanted to travel from South Cebu to North Cebu and vice versa. Other than Liloan is Consolacion. With SM Consolacion, they have the mall there within Consolacion, and then schools and direct roads to the city. This area is ideal for families looking for more space. It's a win. Why? Because prices are way lower, but developments are modern and fast growing, and that's reality. Now, like for example, the property in let's talk about Asiana Coast, the Contempo Holdings property in Liloan. Now, the property ranges from 6 million to 8 million in Liloan. You know what? If these properties will be in the city center, like Guadalupe, Banawa, Talamban, you know what? You cannot get it in between 6 to 8. You can get it in between 10 to 12 million already. So it's way far lower because it may not be that really near, but it's not really that far. Anyway, let's continue. Let's go to South, Minglanilla. Okay. This is still close to SRP. And the access roads, of course, just next to Talisay City. Minglanilla is not that far from the city. It's perfect for those working in Cebu but wanting quieter evening. So, kung kinsa tong gustong dili ganahan og saba, right? Nya dagko-dagko og space sa balay. So, you can also take a look at the properties available in Minglanilla. And there are also RFO units there and pre-selling. It depends upon what will fit you. Okay, so you can watch for RFO units that are ready to move into, but not overpriced. O, diba? If you are looking forward to get a property in Minglanilla, of course, just message me. I would be glad to assist you. Now let's go to Naga. Next to Minglanilla is Naga, going south. Okay. Now, if you want space, views, and budget-friendly options, head south. These towns are slowly becoming smart investments, like the Cebu Techno Park that they're building now will be up soon, and it will be a great help that for the properties will really rise up also because infrastructures will improve and then economy will continue to boom and prices will go higher and higher. So take advantage now. Take advantage that you can still benefit the lower prices that the properties in the south are offering. You know what? I've had clients that thank me for suggesting Consolacion and Compostela, and they got their units there because they thought that they could only afford a condo in the city. But that price already has given them house and lot. Okay? So it's not always about what's trending. It's about what works for your life and what works for your budget, right? So let's just be practical. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I would really be glad to answer that. And if you want to book a call with me, I will also add the link to book a call with me, a free 30-minute Zoom call for consultation. And I am open to that. You just book a call so that we won't have any conflict of schedules. So here, let me ask you, are you open to these underrated areas? I'd like to show you what you can afford there. Just message me. I'll send you available listings, sample computation, and perhaps if you want to book for a site tour, then I'll be glad to assist you in your site view or the house and lot tour or condo tour. You just send me a message. Do me a favor. If you are thinking a place that you think there's a hidden gem that you also wanted to get a property there or wanted to live there and that you're looking for affordable unit, we'll try to see. Just message me and drop the place below. Just type it in the comment section and I'll look for a property that fits to your needs. Let's talk about it. By the way, if you are a real estate agent, if you're looking for somebody to help you build your brand online, design and create your own website or funnel, just message me. I would be glad to assist you. So this is Beth Gusho, your trusted real estate salesperson in Cebu. And God bless everyone. Bye.